Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electronic door locks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Yamari Keypad Smart Door Knob Lock. This product stands out as the budget option in our list. Priced at an affordable $59.99, yet offering great functionality for basic security needs. The lock is made of durable aluminum alloy, featuring a backlit keypad for easy code entry at night, a low battery indicator, and weather-resistant properties rated at IP54. It's ideal for homeowners looking for a simple, reliable solution without breaking the bank. The design is modern and compact, with a matte black finish that complements most home aesthetics. Installation is hassle-free and can be completed in under 15 minutes using just a screwdriver. With the ability to program up to 20 user codes and an auto-lock feature adjustable from 5 to 99 seconds, this lock delivers convenience for the whole family. Additionally, it includes physical keys for backup access, which is a thoughtful touch. While it excels in affordability and ease of use, it lacks advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity or biometric scanning. It's perfect for renters or homeowners who need basic security for interior or front doors. Pros include its low price, easy installation, and user-friendly features, but cons include the absence of smart integrations and a more premium build quality. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Yale Security Assure Lock 2 Deadbolt. This lock is packed with smart features including Wi-Fi connectivity for remote access, auto-lock functionality, and compatibility with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It's perfect for tech-savvy homeowners who want a secure, hands-free locking experience. Whether you're unlocking it with your smartphone, Apple Watch, or keypad, this lock offers unmatched flexibility. Design-wise, it sports a sleek black suede finish that blends seamlessly with modern home decor. The installation is straightforward and requires no professional help, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. The standout features include its auto-unlock functionality, which automatically opens the door as you approach, and the Yale Access app, which lets you manage access, receive notifications, and even lock the door remotely. However, it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might be a limitation for some users. The Yale Assure Lock 2 is ideal for busy households or frequent travelers who want peace of mind and advanced control over their home security. Pros include its smart integrations, remote access features, and stylish design, while cons are its higher price point and reliance on Wi-Fi for full functionality. At rank number 3, we have the Kwikset Smart Code 955 Pembroke Keypad Lever. This lock is designed for high-traffic areas, making it an excellent choice for light commercial applications or busy households. The standout feature here is its impressive durability, tested to withstand over 500,000 cycles. With a 3-year battery life powered by a 9-volt battery, it's built to last and requires minimal maintenance. The Kwikset Smart Code 955 features a satin nickel finish, offering a clean and professional look. It supports up to 30 user codes, including a one-time code for guests, giving you ultimate flexibility in managing access. The lock also includes 3 modes: auto lock, passage, and a disabled mode for added security. The bright LED keypad ensures usability in low-light conditions, and the Smart Key security feature protects against advanced break-in techniques. This lock is perfect for homeowners or businesses looking for a durable, user-friendly solution. Pros include its high durability, long battery life, and customizable access codes. However, it lacks Wi-Fi or app-based functionality, which might be a drawback for users seeking smart home integrations. At rank number 2, we have the Sifley Keyless Entry Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. This lock is a powerhouse of functionality, featuring 6-in-1 keyless entry options. including fingerprint scanning, passcode, wireless key fob, keycard, smartphone app, and a physical key for backup. The advanced 3D fingerprint technology ensures quick and secure access in less than 0.3 seconds, making it a great option for households or rental properties. Its design is sleek and modern, with a silver satin nickel finish that enhances its aesthetic appeal. Installation is a breeze with no additional drilling required, and the reversible handle accommodates both left and right-handed doors. Pairing it with the optional Sifli Wi-Fi gateway unlocks even more features, like remote locking/unlocking and real-time access logs. Battery life is excellent, lasting up to a year with 4 AA batteries. The Sifli lock is ideal for tech-savvy users who appreciate biometric security and app-based management. Pros include its versatile entry options, advanced fingerprint technology, and easy installation. However, cons include the need for a separate Wi-Fi gateway for remote features and a slightly higher upfront cost. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Schlage BE365 VCAM 619 Camelot Keypad Deadbolt. This premium lock combines elegant design with robust security features, making it the best choice for homeowners seeking reliability and style. It supports up to 19 user codes and comes pre-programmed with 2 codes for easy setup right out of the box. The Grade 2 AAA rating ensures durable performance for residential and light commercial use. The Schlage Camelot Keypad Deadbolt is crafted with high-quality metal and features a satin nickel finish that complements most home aesthetics. Its silicone-coated keypad illuminates for easy operation in the dark, and the low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard. Installation is foolproof, requiring only a screwdriver and no hardwiring. The lock is powered by a single 9-volt battery, which lasts up to 2 years with typical use. This lock is perfect for homeowners who want a sophisticated, reliable solution for their front door. Pros include its strong build quality, trusted warranty, and ease of use, while cons might include the lack of Wi-Fi or smart home integrations. Overall, it's an outstanding choice for anyone prioritizing quality and security. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.